How to change your skin color in Score Hero. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily change your player's skin color on Score Hero game. First of all, open the Score Hero application on your device, and once you're inside the main homepage, go ahead and click on the Hero button at the bottom left. Once you open up this Hero tab, click on this little gear icon at the bottom right, and from here you can choose your skin color for your character. After choosing the skin color, you can now head back to the home page, and there you have changed your skin color for your player on Score Hero. That's it. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.